In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select multiple elements in Canva. If you're working on a design with text, images, shapes, or icons. Knowing how to select more than one element at a time can save you a lot of effort. It makes it much easier to move items together, resize them, align them, or make edits more efficiently. The good news is that Canva gives you a few simple ways to do this. And once you know them, your design workflow becomes much smoother. First, open your design in Canva so you can see the page you want to work on. Make sure all the elements you want to select are visible on the current page, because the selection methods we're using here apply to what's on screen and on that page. The first method is great when you want to choose specific items one by one. Start by clicking the first element you want to select. Then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. While continuing to hold Shift, click each additional element you want to include in the selection. As you do this, Canva will add each one to the group of selected items. Once you've selected everything you need, you can release the Shift key. This method is especially helpful when the elements are scattered around the page and you don't want to accidentally select anything extra. Another way to select multiple elements is by clicking and dragging your cursor across them. To do this, click on an empty area of the canvas. Then drag your mouse to create a selection box around the elements you want. When you release the mouse button, Canva will select all the elements inside that box. This is usually the fastest option when the items are close together. Just be careful to include everything you want inside the selection area before letting go. There's also a quick shortcut if you want to select everything on the current page. On Windows, press Ctrl and A. On Mac, press Command and A. This instantly selects all elements on that page, which is useful if you want to move the entire layout or apply changes across the whole design at once. And that's it. Those are the main ways to select multiple elements in Canva. Whether you use Shift-click for precision, click and drag for speed, or the Select All shortcut for full page edits, each method helps you work faster and with more control.